Guys, in this video, I'm going to show you complete setup of Java in VS Code so that you can run your Java program. At the end of this video, you will be able to run your Java program in VS Code. So, hey guys, welcome back to CS Corner, and I'm going to show you step-by-step instruction for running Java program in VS Code. So guys, for running Java program, you need Java JDK and you need VS Code. So first you install this both software. I have given video link in description box. Certainly you can follow that. On my system, I'm already having all this installed. You can see I'm just opening command prompt, and here I'm showing you what versions of JDK I'm having. This is just to show you that I'm already having Java JDK. Okay, so first install Java JDK and VS Code, then you set up the extension in VS Code for running your Java program. Now here I'm starting VS Code. So in Windows search, I'm simply typing Visual Studio, and here you can see my VS Code has been started. Now to run Java program, we need to install extensions in VS Code. So here at left side, you can see we have a tab extension. Simply click on this, and here in search you type Java. You will see lots of result. You have to take this result, extension pack for Java, and guys, it will install around 5 to 6 extension, Java debugger, test run, and so many extension it will install. You can scroll down and you can check it out what extension it is going to install. So simply click on install button for installing the extension. It will take a while guys, and you can see my extension installation is done. Now to create a program and to run, now let's follow the start. You need to go to this first option, and here you can see it's showing open folder, or you can go to file menu also and you will get open folder option. So select this and now browse the folder where you want to save your Java program. You can create or you can select existing folder. So here I'm simply creating one folder on my desktop and I'm selecting it, and I'm clicking on this select folder button. Okay, so you can see now my folder has been open over here. You can see my folder has been open over here. Now in this folder, I'm going to create my Java file. So for that, I'm going to simply click on this plus button near my folder option. We have this plus button, and now provide the file name. So you can give any name. I'm giving hello-demo.java and hit enter. You can see Java file has been created. Now type whatever code you want and then save it, Control S, or you can go to file menu and hit the save button. And now let's click on this play button to run the code. And here guys, you can see I'm getting my output. Okay, but you can see the output which I'm getting is in output tab, not terminal tab. So what is the difference between these two? Output tab is read only. You cannot type anything over there. So guys, now I'm just typing few lines for accepting input from user and printing that. So now if I run this code, I won't be able to type on terminal. So for that, I will be doing the settings. So here, just go to left side settings icon and then select this setting, and here search for run in terminal. You will get this checkbox. Simply click on this checkbox and close this. And now guys, here let's run it again, and you can see now I'm getting my output in terminal, not in output tab. So this way you can create your. So guys, that's all for this video. I hope by following my video you are able to successfully set up Java in VS Code. Guys, I conclude my video. If you really like this video, do hit on like button and share with your friends. If you have any query, you can comment or you can reach me through Instagram also. All my social media link I have given in description box. Certainly you can follow or visit that. Guys, I'm having website, lots of tutorials I'm posting, that too freely. Telegram I'm posting notes, that too freely. Certainly you can join that. Guys, very important for me is your subscription. There is red color subscribe button. Just hit that and press the bell icon to receive updates from my channel. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Till that, bye bye, take care, keep watching and keep learning guys.